Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll learn how to take input and give in output in C++. So as you know, cout is used to print out statements into the output.txt file, and we have cin to take inputs into the variables and store it inside a variable. So let's define a variable first. Int a is a variable of type integer, and we'll just take input as cin a, and we'll just output. If we just output a, we'll get the input and output. So if I give an input.txt something like 1 2 3 4 5 and save it, and if I press Ctrl B, 1 2 3 4 5 gets outputted. So this is the basics of input and output. So you will learn in the next tutorials the different types of data types, but if you already know, it's fine. So if it's, for example, a string, then I can give something like name or something, and if I just press Ctrl B, the string will get published. But if I type for example a number is also a string, so a number also get outputted. But if it's something like name and you take something like an int, it will give an error. Yeah, so this is the basics of input and output. Let's learn data types in the next lesson.